Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on Capcut. I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to select my video. You can choose your video you want to remove the watermark from. And wait guys, I'm still looking for my video. The video is right here. Okay, this one. I'm going to remove watermark from this video, for example. And to remove watermark, we need to duplicate our video. Tap on your video, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. This one. Okay, and we're going to make it as an overlay, so we're going to click on overlay. Scroll all the way to the right until you find this option, and then we're going to make it align with our first video. And then to remove the watermark, we're going to use mask. You can click on the second video and then go to the mask. Where is it? Okay, this one, and you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply, and I'm going to select this circle mask. Then you can adjust the mask to cover the watermark. Okay, then take another part of your video to cover your watermark, and I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover it. Click on the check mark, and then you can drag the mask to cover watermark on your video. Okay, now it's done, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to apply filter or do adjustment. I'm going to go to the adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the brightness like this. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Okay, perfect, and click on the check mark. And if you're still not satisfied, you can keep adjusting until you get the best result. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from video using Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.